Have you been considering the Chanel Gabrielle bag? Stay tuned to have a look at the details. Okay, this has been loaned to me by a very good friend of mine who just purchased this bag, and I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek at it. This is not going to be going on my shelf because it's not my bag, guys, but I'm able to show you guys the details. Now, can you guess which color I've got here? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? Ta-da! Isn't she beautiful? It's the crushed white with the shiny black base and the shiny trim. Really, really beautiful bag. I know this is a real classic for a lot of people. It even has the tag still on it, guys, so I will be just keeping that on there. But we'll go through the details of this bag because if you guys are interested in it, you might want to consider this one. It's very, very reasonably priced, which is amazing. It's got the two-tone, don't know if the strap is on right. My friend did it and I had a look at it and it seemed fine to me, but it's basically like this. So there's the shiny black leather on top where the strap is. It actually should be that way so that's not digging into your shoulder. It's got two-tone metal as well, so it's got the brushed gold and the antique silver there. And on the strap there are so many different types of metals here, different colors. We've got the shiny silver, we've got the matte antique silver, and we've also got the shiny gold as well, which is really nice for those of you guys that like mixing your metals, and some days you wear silver, some days you wear gold. Like this would be perfect. I absolutely love the zipper toggle. The zipper toggle is this tab, leather tab with the CC on it, and I'm just going to move this out of the way. And the inside is this gorgeous red lining, absolutely beautiful. This also has a little tether for you to hook onto a makeup bag or your keys or something like that. Absolutely beautiful, guys. There is the Chanel leather tab as well as the zipper pull. This bag is quite unusual because it's got a very stiff bottom, a very structured stiff bottom, and then it's got this soft, relaxed leather on top. So it's sort of got a mix, which means that it's going to hold its shape really well because this bottom is really, really hard and sturdy. There's the base there. There's also two metal tones on the side. Okay, and this one actually has two loops, and I cannot for the life of me work out what this second loop is for. Is it for hanging a little charm or something? Does anyone know what this second loop is for? Because the chain goes there. So a little bit confused. Have we actually put the strap on correctly? Because it just seems very, very long otherwise. Like, that's a very long bag. So, I don't know. But if you guys have been considering the Gabrielle, this leather is beautiful, the white crushed. And if you like your classic colors, like black and white, this has also got the quilting as well, which I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up, but it's quilted all along this top part and then smooth along the bottom part. Stitching is immaculate. I cannot fault it at all. The zipper is very soft and buttery. And the lining is gorgeous in that beautiful bright red. Well, it's that classic Chanel red. You guys will see here, I am a bit of a shorty, guys, so this bag is probably going to sit a little bit lower on me than the average person unless you are the same height as me. So keep that in mind. This is a really practical size. It is on the larger side, but you'll see from the mod shots, it's not humongous. It's, you know, a large handbag. It's got a little bit of weight to it as well, but it is also light enough to be a great bag for traveling. I've just realized that there are so many ways to wear this strap, and I will not be showing you all the ways because I'm no expert. However, I will show you a few different ways that I like to wear this bag. My favorite part is definitely this toggle. I think it's really beautiful, really classic and simple, a great everyday running around town bag. So you will see here that I can just put it on the shoulder like a normal shoulder bag. It's also worn crossbody really, really well. And also, apart from that, you can actually do the V, which was in a lot of the campaigns for Chanel when this bag came out. And that's crossing it on both shoulders. And you'll see that here. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Chanel Gabrielle bag. It comes in a couple of different sizes as well as so many ranges of colors. So if black and white's not your thing, but you really like the shape and the functionality and the straps, then maybe consider a different color. I really hoped you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the like button and the bell notification. And be sure to follow me on Instagram. Instagram is a very prominent platform for me. I do a lot of giveaways and announcements, etc. on there. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.